Hello, everybody. Welcome once again to our weekly reading on this Psychic Tuesday. And many of you have been asking me that when is this all going to end? When will this all get over? And how do we go about it? Because people are feeling so much uncertainty happening. I always say that rather than asking questions like when and timeline, I always say that leave it to the divine timing. But here I thought I will do one reading so that you all get at least some idea and clarity about the situation. Now, before I present the reading to you, a word of caution. Tarot cards, angel cards, any divination methods, whether it is tarot, angel cards, runes, astrology, numerology, any method of the alternative sciences which deals with predictions, they can only give a result, a future which is 90% accurate, but the 10% accuracy always remains fluctuating. Why? Because our thoughts create future. There is a frequency in our thoughts which create the future. So especially in such situations where the collective is involved, which means there are millions and billions and trillions of us across the globe who are sending their thoughts to the situation, and depending on what you think the situation will be unfolded, we will be given a set of choices to make, and depending on what choices we make, the future will unfold. So at this point of time I want to tell you that although this reading is based on scientific methods like tarot and angel cards, there is also a slight variation in that, and hence I would say that do not make any conclusions. Although use these cards and the methods given as not just a method of divination but also as a method of guidance, so that you can take better decisions, stay more positive and stay more happy. So these are the cards for you about the current situation. Over to the cards. So here is the spread of the cards. I asked a question about when will this all get over, will this get over, and what is happening. And the card which I took first was the Emperor card. Now the Emperor card says that yes, things will be normal, although it might take a little bit of time, but it will completely change the way our normal life is. The new normal will be totally different, a big change in form structure. The next card when I asked was, what can we do now? And the message was, as we are at home, as we are locked down, we are having some extra time with which we can try to explore ourselves, explore what we truly are and what we truly want in life at this point. I also got this card when I asked, how can I calm myself? And the answer is, do something you love. Find your passion, do something amazing, connect to that childlike joy within you to make yourself feel better. The next question was, how long will this last? And the cards say it will last for at least 4 more months, for the situation will get back to what we call as normal. So towards September end we see things settling a little bit, but till then things will be a little fluctuating. So definitely it's time to stay home. Final question, will it be all right? Yes, it will be all right. So don't overanalyze the situation. Don't think too much. Simply devote yourself to some kind of stability. And at this point of time I took an extra card out of the surrender deck. The card is surrender obsessive thinking. So do not think obsessively. Obsession will not let you anywhere. I've been hearing a lot from a lot of people that they have been getting sleepless nights and they are thinking too much. So the answer is, do not overanalyze. The universe is a smart place. The universe is your friend. So allow yourself to flow with the universe. You are definitely protected at all times. So strengthen your spiritual practice, pray more, meditate more, and things are going to be all right. So stay calm. So this was the reading for this week. I hope you all liked it. Mother Earth is healing, and as we are going through these transformational times, we are going to take back a lot of lessons from this whole pandemic. And I think if we learn the lessons, what the environment, what Mother Earth, and what the universe is trying to give us, we'll definitely have a lot of ease in our life. Also, as there are a lot of changes happening vibrationally, it's good to stay indoors, to make your spiritual practice a habit, yes, and that can be done by anyone at any age. Do it with your family, sit with your kids and meditate, sit with your parents, spend time with them, and I think that's one of the best ways to understand and respect that whatever is happening, it's happening for a reason. To trust God Almighty in all of this. And I'm sending you loads of love, best wishes, and lots of strength to go through these times. Namaste. If you like this video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like me on Facebook. My page is Ashwini Chube, transformational trainer and speaker. So you can find me on Facebook as facebook.com/Ashwini Chube official. Follow me on Instagram, unicorn_insight. And yes, you can check my website. It's www.unicorninsight.com. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.